Some people choose a car based on reliability. Some people choose a car for an engaging ride. Some are chosen for the looks and some are chosen for status. On top of that, resale values seem to be a criteria that is looked into as people purchase their brand new car. In this video, we will review the 2024 Best Resale Value Awards from Kelley Blue Books. Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today I'm here to look at 2024 Resale Value Awards. Personally, when I buy a car to own, I don't really look at the resale value as much because I will actually keep the car as long as I can. So once I'm committed, I'm committed. If it's a lease, then it wouldn't really matter, as I'll probably go and change for another one or buy it back at that point, but then most likely if I go for a lease, it will be one that I will not buy back. So let me know in the comments below if resale value is one of the criterias for you when you buy a brand new car. Or maybe even a secondhand. Will you look at resale value? Because in secondhand, if its resale value is high, which means you're buying a more expensive vehicle. Well, let's look at it and see what brands and models got the awards and which are on the top of resale values according to the Kelley Blue Book. Let's get to it. Alright, so now we're at the Kelley Blue Book and they have announced the 2024 Best Resale Value Awards. So let's look at the press release here. So they're saying that many car owners actually do not know that depreciation is actually the biggest expense during a vehicle ownership period. So again, if you buy the car and you consider it as I've written it off, if you've paid, let's say, $60,000 for a car and use it for 10 years and you totally written it off, then resale value is nothing to you. But if you're a person who buys a car for $60,000, drive it for 2 years, and then you sell it, that's when resale value is critical because you want to make sure that you don't lose much value of the car so that if in 2 years you can sell it for $50,000, that's absolutely great. There's always been a saying that once you drive your car off the lot, you've already lost 50% of the car value. Well, I don't really know that's the case, but I think that makes sense. Once you drive it off the lot, you've lost money already. So let's see what this says here. So they're saying here for the third consecutive year, Toyota takes the top honors for the best resale value brand. And the sibling Lexus is actually the best luxury brand for resale value. All right, and then they also say that the automotive industry continues to change rapidly with more introductions of brands and models and varying powertrain each year. Customers now have more EVs, plug-in and hybrid options than ever before, and they've modified the best resale value award categories according to this. So now they've introduced a category for EVs. So Toyota and Lexus have been doing very well in these resale value awards. So it says here, it's the 8th time Toyota have actually won the same honors: 2014, 2017, 18, 19, 2021, 2022, and now 2023, and now 2024. And for 2024, Lexus is the 3rd time winning this consecutively, and it's the 5th time overall. All right, so 2024, Toyota, congratulations. Best reseller. And then also luxury brand Lexus is the best resale value. And now we have the categories. Okay, 2024 best resale value by vehicle. So the compact car goes to the Honda Civic. Mid-size goes to the Honda Accord. So where did the Toyotas go? I guess it's probably under that. Sports car, we have the Chevrolet Corvette. Minivan, we have the Toyota Sienna. And now we look at the luxury. Luxury compact car is the Lexus IS. We have the luxury midsize car, the Lexus ES. The luxury full-size car, Lexus LS. So it seems like all the sedans, they've actually got them all. Now we look at the hybrid and plug-in hybrid is the Toyota Prius. Electric car is the Hyundai Ioniq 6. The luxury electric car is the Mercedes EQ EQS. Now we have the electric SUV, the Rivian R1S. The luxury electric SUV, we have the Cadillac Lyriq, and then the electric truck, the Ford F-150 Lightning. All right, then we move over to the other side. Off-road SUV, we have the Ford Bronco. Subcompact SUV, we have the Subaru Crosstrek. Compact SUV, the Honda CR-V. Okay, the RAV4 is not the number one best resale value. Mid-side SUV, the Hyundai Palisade. Full-side SUV, the Toyota Sequoia. And now we have the luxury brands. Okay, luxury subcompact SUV, the Lexus UX. We have the compact SUV, the Lexus NX, and the midsize SUV, we have the RX. So the three combo, UX, NX, and RX, wins the best resale value for the luxury SUVs. GX or the LX did not get the full-size SUV. It went to the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Follow me on Instagram at LSFTvideos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX 450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. So the compact pickup truck, the Ford Maverick, and then we have the mid-size pickup, the Toyota Tacoma, and we have the full-size pickup truck, the Toyota Tundra. So all these are excellent resale value cars. So if you're looking at one of these, definitely a good buy. So you can see here, they also break down this saying that the 2024 best resale value top 10 cars. So instead of categorizing in different categories, these are the top 10 best reselling value ones. So the Chevrolet Corvette, the Ford Bronco, the Ford Maverick, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, Porsche 718, we have the Toyota 4Runner, we have the Toyota GR Supra, Toyota Prius, Toyota Tacoma, and Toyota Tundra. So they say that an average 2024 model year vehicle will only retain 42.4% of its original value after 5-year ownership, meaning a $50,000 new car today will be worth about $21,200 after 5 years. In comparison, all vehicles in the Kelley Book's top 10 best resale value, they project 58%. So that's about, let's say, 16% more. So I think sometimes if you're really looking at owning the car for a shorter period of time and not until the car cannot drive, that's probably resale value is important. So they're also saying here resale value for new cars varies, and vehicles above or below average values generally are plentiful in the market and easy to find, but certain vehicles are projected to hold their values better than the others. So while much of the resale value is based on supply and demand, as well as current projected and future market conditions, vehicles that retain their value best typically are discounted the least and tend to generate high levels of consumer interest. And I'm thinking about Tesla because recently they've done a drastic drop in price, and they've done that throughout the years. And maybe that is the reason why we don't see any Teslas in these lists at all. There's no best resale value for Teslas for some reason. So let's move over to the 2024 Best Resale Value Awards top cars, okay? So going down here, they're saying these are the top 10. So we talked about this, and you can see the 2024 Bronco is 66.7%. Not bad at all. The Toyota Tacoma, 62.6. We have the G-Class, 61.2. That's extremely good. And then we have the Toyota Tundra at 60.4. Let me zoom in so it gets a little bit bigger on the screen. And then we have the Chevrolet Corvette, 59%. So these cars, when you drive them off the lot, definitely you're not losing half the value. And then you have the GR Supra, 57.2. Prius is 55.3. Not bad at all. The 4Runner, 54.6. The 718 Porsche is 54.2. And the Maverick is 54. So the 2024 best resale value SUVs. So these are the best resale value ones. The 2024 Subaru Crosstrek is 52.6%. All right, we have the CRV, which is 52.8. We have the Palisade, 52.6. So they're very close. We have the Sequoia, which is 47.2. We have the Bronco that we talked about already, 66.7. We have the UX, 44.4%. You would see that luxury cars actually have lower resale values because of the higher price that they start off with. So then we have the NX, it goes under 40%, so it's 39.6, and it's actually the best one. So really, under that category, what are those percentages? Then we have the RX, 45%, and then we have the G-Class, 61.2. So now we move to cars. The Civic is 53.8, Accord is 52.7, the Corvette is 59, the IS is 41.6. So you can see the Lexus, the luxury vehicles, are much lower. They're in the 40s. ES is 44, and the LS is 40.3. Okay, and then we look at trucks, EVs, and all that. The Prius is 55.3%. The Hyundai Ioniq 6, 37.3. So they're actually quite low for an EV. We have the Rivian, 47. The Lightning F-150 Lightning is 43.1. We have the EQE, 44.8. We have the Cadillac Lyriq, 40.3. The Sienna is 48.4. The Maverick is 54. The Tacoma is 52.6. And the Tundra is 60.4. So you can see Toyota and Lexus winning the categories. So what does that really mean? I'm really surprised with the NX being under 40%, but then they are actually the highest. So I don't know what other markets really have. So what do you think? Do you think these are well-deserved models and brands that get the best resale value? What other cars do you think should actually be on this list? From what I'm seeing, I'm really trying to understand a little bit more about the luxury midsize, like the compact luxury, because it's not even at 40. It's very close, but then that's the highest. Other than that, I think all of them are great. And for the NX, is the resale value for the gas only lower or higher than the hybrids or the plug-in hybrids? Because again, supply and demand, right? So there's less of the hybrids and even more less of the plug-in hybrids. Do they actually have higher resale values? Unfortunately, Kelley Blue Books don't really go down to even packages or even different engine specs. I guess it's just too much for them to do. So there we have it, the 2024 Best Resale Value Car Awards, and congratulations to Lexus and Toyota for getting there. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.